Hey there, it's me, Isis, and I am on my last day of vacation, so I'm kind of sad. But it was a really great vacation, very meditative, very eye-opening, very calming, very relaxed, and honestly everything that I needed. So um, I guess I'm just here with the message of the day is that find some time, some true time for you to relax. Respect yourself enough to know that you have to sit yourself down sometimes. You have to be okay with sitting down and being in a safe space within yourself, being introspective with yourself, and taking the time needed to grow and get to the next level of you. We do not stay the same. We're not stagnant beings. We are evolutionary. We are learning ourselves constantly. We are learning the world that we're in, and we are upgrading ourselves to kind of fit into that world in the best form and shape that we can be. So never take rest for granted. Never take your quiet time for granted. If you're not able to take vacations and things, um, go to the library, to the park, picnic by yourself. Go on a yoga retreat somewhere. But I don't care if it's just sleep in. I mean, it's all about taking your time for yourself, so you can do the best for yourself and for others. Because, as I always say, we can never pour from an empty cup. It just does not work that way. We have to fill ourselves, and we give from the overflow. Not selfishly, but we are the most important thing, don't you think? We have to be. Because if we were to give to others or help others, serve others, be there for others, be strong enough for whatever things we have coming, we have to be strong as well. So um, fill yourself up to whatever you need to do and be the best you. Okay. So don't forget, your needs in the comments and let me know what you think. Bye. Love you guys.